So you understand tenses or not? Let's check your understanding with these 20 quiz questions I have prepared for you. Let's jump right in. Number one is he to school every day. Go, goes, going. Which one is correct? Yes, she goes to school every day. Simple present tense because it's a habit, it's everyday routine. I my homework now. Do, doing, did. I am doing my homework right now because it's the action that is happening right now. So it is present continuous tense. They already finished the project. Has, have, having. They have already finished the project. Something you did in the past, but it has connection with the present. Present perfect tense. She for 2 hours has been studying, has studied, is studying. She has been studying for 2 hours. Present perfect continuous tense. Because she has been doing this from the past till now, she's doing that thing. So it's present perfect continuous tense. That started in the past but continuous till now. So it's present perfect continuous tense. We to London last year. Go, went, gone. We went to London last year. This one is correct. We use past simple tense, the actions that completed in the past. So it is the past action that is completed in the past. So we use simple past tense for it. I, TV, when she called. Watched, was watching, have watched. Which one is correct? I was watching TV when she called. A long action. I was watching TV when she called. A long action is interrupted by a shorter one in the past. Past continuous tense is used. By the time he arrived, we or dinner have finished, had finished, finished. Which one is correct? By the time he reached, we had finished or dinner. Two actions that happened in the past. One action is completed before another past action is past perfect tense. They, for an hour before the bus arrived. They had been waiting. They have been waiting. They waited. Which one is correct? They had been waiting for an hour before the bus arrived. Past perfect continuous tense is used because something that happened for some specific period of time in the past is past perfect continuous tense. I tomorrow will call, or called. Which one is correct? I will call you tomorrow. For simple future promises or actions, you will always use simple future tense. I will call you tomorrow. This time tomorrow, I on the plane. I will sit. I am sitting. I sit on the plane. Which one is correct? This time tomorrow, I will be sitting on the plane. Actions that will be in progress in future, you will always use future continuous tense for this. I will be sitting on a plane this time tomorrow. By next year, my degree. I will have completed. I will complete. I completed. By next year, I will have completed my degree. This one is correct. Actions completed before a specific time in future, you will always use future perfect tense for this. And there is a tip, there is most of the time by in that sentence. By 2026, she here for 10 years. Will have been working, will be working, worked. Which one is correct? By 2026, she will have been working here for 10 years. This one is correct. He always mm, coffee in the morning. Drink, drinks, is drinking. He always drinks coffee in the morning. It's a habitual action, so you will always use simple present tense for it. I mm, play cricket every weekend when I was a child. Used to, am used to, used to. Which one's correct? I used to play cricket every weekend when I was a child because it was a habit that you practice in the past, or you can say it is a past habit. So you can use used to in this. We visit Paris next year. Are going to visit, were going to visit, will be. Which one is correct? We are going to visit Paris next year. Planned action, for planned action, we mostly use are going to. I, my friend tomorrow evening. Will meet, meet, am meeting. I am meeting my friend tomorrow evening. This one is correct because sometimes a present continuous tense is used to describe future plans. I am meeting my friend tomorrow evening. This one is correct. While I dinner, the phone rang. Cooked, cook, was cooking. While I was cooking dinner, the phone rang. A longer past action is interrupted by a shorter one. We always use past continuous tense for this. I never seen snow before. Has, have, had. I have never seen snow before. To describe about experiences, we mostly use present perfect tense. I have never seen snow before. She was tired because she all day has worked, had worked, worked. Which one is correct? She was tired because she had worked all day. This one is correct. So to describe earlier past action, you always use past perfect tense. So what is the consequence of the work? She was tired. So after she did that work, she was tired. So earlier past action is described by past perfect tense. Will you us for dinner tomorrow? Join, joining, be joining. Will you be joining us for dinner tomorrow? This one is correct. So you will use future continuous tense when asking someone about their future plans. So tell me in the comments how much you score in this quiz. If you want me to make a video on some particular topic, let me know. See you in the next video.